How to create overall progressive bar in Google Sheets. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So guys, let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we have the data with progressive bar. You can see we have the progressive bar data here, and we have the overall progressive bar also. Okay, so we need to use the formulas to create the overall progressive bar. So first I will show you how I create that progressive bar. Okay, so this is formula you have to use: equal sign SPARKLINE. Then you need to select your data, cell number E5. I have E5, that you have to enter as per your data. Okay, so I have data in E5, so I just select the E5. Then this formula should be continued like this, like chart type bar max 100% color 1 green. Here you can change your color. Okay, then empty, then 0, use the double inverted comma, and all everything is perfectly. Then close the curly bracket and then bracket, then hit the enter. Then your bar will be show like this. Now you have to just click this corner dot and drag the down to apply this formula your rest of data, so it will be applied like this. Okay, then we need to create the use this formula for creating the average percentage. Okay, overall average percentage, which is equal sign sum. Then you need to select, open the bracket and select the data, which is I have E5 to E9. Okay, so it is already selected. Then divided count, then you have to select the same data, close the bracket and hit the enter. After that, just select that result and click on this percentage. Then the number will be converted in percentage. Now here we need to enter the same formula for progress bar, which we have used here. So select the start with the equal sign SPARKLINE. Then you need to select that E3, which is we have the data. So maybe at your Excel Google sheet, the cell number will be different definitely, but you have to select the same cell number which is you have. Then you have to just continue this formula like this. Okay, and then close the curly bracket and bracket. Then your average progress bar will be overall progress bar will be visible to you like this. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching. Okay, you can also change the color like this. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.